Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone on X in 2025 step by step. So first, to block someone, open the X app and then tap on their profile picture to go to their profile page. After that, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen and then select block from the given options. Now tap on block to confirm, and that's all. Now, if you want to unblock someone, go back to your home page and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Then select Settings and Privacy. Here, in the search bar at the top, search for Blocked and tap on Blocked Accounts. After that, go to their profile and tap on Blocked. Then in the pop-up, tap on Unblock. But keep in mind that if you blocked someone you followed, you'll no longer be following them. After unblocking, you can choose to refollow if you want, and that's all. That's how you can block or unblock someone on X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.